I'm introducing the Pro Camera. Pro Camera basically give you all the professional camera controls. We have three modes on the top right: manual, auto, and TV, which is shutter speed priority mode. In the auto mode, it's just like the iOS native camera, and in the manual mode, just like professional cameras, you can adjust all the values manually. I can adjust the shutter speed and ISO, and also color temperature. I can change to a bluer color or a warmer color. Noticing that when I change one value, for example shutter speed, I will also change the screen brightness, which is expected. I'm going to show the TV mode. The TV mode doesn't come in the default Apple API. It's something that we built manually on top of the manual mode. I also noticed that most of other camera apps in the App Store, they don't have a TV mode. I'm gonna move to my screen, and I'm going to adjust the exposure value, which is called EV. I change to good brightness, and then I adjust my shutter speed. So noticing that when I change my shutter speed, the waterfall is getting different style. So a longer shutter speed will get a blurry look of waterfall, and the faster of shutter speed will give a more sharp look of waterfall. So this is very useful in shooting moving objects. So sometimes I want a clear, more sharp picture. I use a faster shutter speed, and sometimes I like a waterfall. I want it to be a longer shutter speed. So on the bottom left, there is this histogram. So histogram basically is your image pixel distribution. So right now, all the pixel is pretty much distributed in the center, which is pretty good. As you can see, if I move the scene to dark, it tends to go to the left, which is not good. And if I move to brighter, it goes all the way to the right side, which is also not good. This is very useful when shooting under strong sunshine light. It's really hard to judge the screen brightness by looking at the screen, so histogram is a very good reference for the brightness. Clicking on the shutter button will just take a picture, and we have the camera roll button and a setting button on each side. I can also pinch to zoom in and zoom out. So here is a sample picture. Left side is using the Pro camera. We're using a very fast shutter speed, so you can see the snow is very clear, very sharp, even though it's moving. Right hand side is iOS native camera. Noticing the snow is blurry because they're moving fast. So in Pro camera, you can adjust the shutter speed in order to get a very sharp image, especially for moving objects. So that is Pro camera.